Good morning, sir. My name is Chandu from Mechanical Branch. Today I will discuss about the Euler's Lagrange equation. In this equation, we will give necessary conditional for an extreme of a function of the type I of x is equal to integrate of a to b f of x of t of into x of t dot t into d with various type of boundary conditions. The necessary condition is the form of a differential equation that the external curves should satisfy, and this differential equation is called the Euler-Lagrange equation. We being with the simplest type of boundary conditions where the curves are allowed to vary between two fixed points. The simplest optimization problems. The simplest optimization problem can be formed by as follows. Let f of alpha comma beta comma gamma be a function with continuous first and second partial derivatives with respect to alpha, beta, gamma. Then find x belongs to C1 a comma b such that x of a is equal to yx and x of b is equal to yz, and which is an extremer for the function I of x is equal to integration of a to b f of x of t into x of t into t with respect to dt. In other words, the simplest optimization problem consists of finding an extremum of function of the form 2, 5, where the curves of administrator curves compares all smooth curves joining to find points. We will apply the necessary condition for an extreme in theorem to solve the simplest optimization problem describes above. Theorem 2.1.1. Let S is equal to x belongs to C1 a comma b by x of a is equal to y naught and x of b is equal to b, and let I belongs to S to R b a I of x is equal to integration of a to b f of x of t dot x of t dot t into d t. If I has an extreme of x naught belongs to S, then I naught satisfies the Euler's Lagrange equation. Dou f by dou a x naught of t x naught I of t into t minus d by dt of dou f by dou beta of x naught of t. If I has an extreme at x naught belongs to S, then x naught satisfies the Euler's Lagrange equation delta f by delta x naught of t into t minus d by dt of dou f by dou beta into x naught of t dot x naught of t into t is equal to 0. With the indeed normal form C of a comma b, then for all b belongs to x naught plus h satisfies x naught plus b of a is equal to y naught, and x naught plus h of b is equal to yb. Defining I of b is equal to I of x naught plus b. For h belongs to x, we note that I bar belongs to x to R has a local extremum at 0. It follows from theorem 1.4.2. Then di of 0 is equal to 0. Step 2. We know calculate di bar of 0. We have I bar of b minus I bar of o. Integration a to b f of x plus b into t dot x naught plus h into t dt minus integration of a to b f of x naught of t dot x naught of t dot t into dt is equal to integration of a to b f of x naught of t plus b of t dot x naught of t plus b of t into dt minus capital F of x naught of t dot x naught of t dot t into dt. Recall that from Taylor's theorem, if f present mutually derivatives of order 2 in a ball B of radius R. That's it. Thank you.